We cut by using the following measurements. We've cut 4 pieces, 2 interfaced, 2 have not. Then with this, 1 interfaced, 1 not. With this 2, the same, 1 interfaced, 1 not. We've sealed both edges, the left and the right, as you can see. Then we're going to place the brim on the top of our garrison cap. So go and stitch. When stitching, we first stitch one side of the brim onto the cap. Then we'll switch to also stitch the other side. That's how come we did just about 1/2 inch on both edges. We should be very careful when it gets to the very edge here. So this is how it looks like. Now we'll change this foot into the left foot. We'll use this fishing line 1 mm. We've created our bias already. Now we insert the 1 mm into it and then we stitch. Stitching very close to the fishing line. As you sew, you shift it to the edge. Right. We'll go and trim this into about 1/4 of an inch. Then we'll come and stitch that onto this very one, as you see me do. It's quite easy. Right. So we put the facing onto it. Then we go ahead and also stitch. Since we have stitched the first one, it will leave the stitches marking on the other side. And so we are stitching right on top of that marking we had created after we stitched the bias onto the first part. Right, and so we'll go ahead and turn it good side out. And then the white aligns to the edge very neatly, as you can see. Right, so we'll go ahead and press this. You can insert a hem tape in between so that as you press, the 2 sticks, it wouldn't open. Then we'll go and put one edge, just as you see, onto the cap itself. So this is how we're stitching it, one side first. This part is quite important. When it gets here, this is how the stitching should be done. It wouldn't go straight, it wouldn't align straight onto the tip of our cap, but rather as it gets to this very corner, that's the center front and then the center back. As it gets to the center front, actually, if you can see, this is how the stitching would be. After we're done stitching, I'll show it to you so that you see that part very well. Right, this is what I was talking about. So you see that there is some excess created here, so we'll cut that off. Repeat same for this other side. It would also overlap, as you see. After that, we'll go and cut it off, and we'll get this. Now we're putting its lining. That is the second part that we did not interface. We put it onto the other one, good size, meeting, like this. Then we'll go ahead and stitch all around, leaving a bit of space in between so that we can fish the whole thing out. So we're done stitching. We are turning it good side out, as you can see. It's quite easy. In case you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Also share with us your comments. Thank you so much. Very, very easy to do. Right. We give it a good press and then we're good to go. Then tada! Our garrison cap is neatly done. Very, very easy to do. Thank you so, so, so much for watching.